Hey guys, welcome to my videos. Guys, I want to give you a glimpse of life in Canada. It's early morning 5:30 a.m. and it's peak winter season, and today the temperature is supposed to go down as below as -25. So right now it feels like -20, and being a homeowner, I'm still forced to clean the snow. Yes, you have heard it correct. I still have to clean the snow because my basement is tenanted, and as per the law, I'm responsible for cleaning the snow. It's a very difficult task and chilling too, considering the weather now, but I cannot stop it. I have to do it. Today is gonna be like one of the chilliest days of the year, where feels like could fall -30 early morning. Tomorrow early morning, I would say, late tonight. So yeah, if you live in Canada and you are a homeowner, you have to fulfill your responsibilities. Sometimes they are too hard to, but you have no escape. You have to do. I have to make way out for my tenants too, and I wish snowing stops soon, but it doesn't look like it is going away anytime soon. It's really hard, guys, very hard. And I have to deal with it. There's nothing I can do. I have to deal with it. So I'm now just throwing the snow away using my shovel. Once this is done, I'm gonna put some salt on it too. So some of you may say that okay, then go and live in a condo so that you don't have to do this, or at a rental property, but then you don't get any ownership right. In condo you do, but in rental property you don't. So there is no escape. In condo you pay maintenance fee too. That could be very high. I heard someone is paying 1100, so that's too much. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video, guys. You got the glimpse. Thanks.